Hello. I want to I want to say hi to everybody who watching this video. I'm going to show you guys how it is very simple to use Kodi. And I have my favorite add-on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to introduce you Skynet. All of you watch Schwarzenegger the movie. Now I'm going to introduce you to Skynet. Skynet Kodi Addon is the best ever. I love Skynet. All new stuff on Skynet. All new shows, all new movies on Skynet. And it's very fast. Very fast, Skynet. Without staying one more second, let me show you what Skynet is. Here is Skynet. Here is Skynet. Skynet. How to install Skynet Kodi Addon. Skynet is an older Kodi Addon that has been constantly updated with lots of sections. How to install Skynet Kodi Addon? It's so easy, très facile. Just going down here. First, you have to memorize this. You have to copy this. It's the URL http two point slash slash Maverick TV .net Mav repo. You have to remember this link. Step to install Skynet. First step to install Skynet. Step to install Skynet. It's very simple. It is very simple to install Skynet. So, step to install Skynet. Step to install Skynet. At the top left click when you are on Kodi. You go to the left and you go to system setting icon. Sometimes it's on right side down. When you go to setting system setting icon, you have to click on file manager. File manager It's where you're going to put the, and you're going to click on add source. Add source. And you click on add source and something come up like this. And you have to click where it says none. Once you click on where it says none, something gonna pop up. What's gonna pop up? It's where you're going to put the link I told you, I show you at the beginning. Here we go again. Here's the link. You're going to type the link no, and you're going to call or give him name when you scroll down, because it's going to give you in space. When you scroll down, you will give a name Maverick. You can give any name to it, but a name you remember. So when you put Maverick and you double click, it's correct, and you click OK. Now you go back to your Kodi. When you go back to Kodi, you have to subscribe. You have to click on add-on. When you click on add-on, you see a box going to show up at the top. You click on add-on and you will see the box. Here's the box. This is the box. You click on left, on top left, you click on that box. And that box going to send you to something you can see zip file, and you can see file repository. That's what I'm talking about. This is the file repository. But first, you have to install from zip file the link. So click first, you have to click on zip file, and this is going to pop up. And because you remember the name you give the link, but if you put Maverick like I did, so you have to click on Maverick. When you click on Maverick, and this is going to show a signal, you're gonna see an install something going to show up on the top right of your screen. And when you see the pop-up, you will have to go back to the, you're going to click this time on the whole story Maverick. And when now you go on, you click on Maverick, it's still how to install Skynet Kodi Addon. You wait for the top right to pop up and say Maverick TV report installed. You have to say, and now you're going to click install from repository. You can see repository always on top of zip file. Now you're going to click the top of zip file. What is repository? And when you click here, you will see something called Maverick TV repo. When you see Maverick TV repo, you're going down to click on video add-on. When you click on video add-on, you're going to click on Skynet. And when you get to Skynet, you click install Skynet. It's simple. That's it. Easy. 15 minutes. You're done. 15 minutes. All those people is the one say thank you to me called Kodi. Cause the download Skynet ain't no trouble. It's it. It's it. It's the best way to download Skynet on your Kodi. Cause you have Kodi. Thank you. Don't forget. Don't, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video. I'm bringing more for you guys. It's fun. We can do it. Let's do it. Ciao.